welcome. If you guys are new, welcome. So today we're gonna have the star of the show, my 5-month-old Aiden. I know I just recorded this right one after another because it was just too long and there's too many clothes and I didn't want to go through the hassle of doing so many cuts. And then so I decided to actually make this video into 3 parts. So if you guys missed the other 2 parts, definitely go ahead and check them out. I will link it down below or at the end of this video. If you guys don't know what Rockets of Awesome is, it's a box of clothes for kids, boys and girls ages 6 to no, not 6, 4 through 12 years old. And then it's not a subscription box, so what they do is they actually charge you $5 per box. Are you trying to tell? All right, yeah, I know. Okay, and then they charge you $5 per box. But what they will charge you is whatever that you keep. So whatever you keep, they charge you. Whatever you don't keep, they will definitely send you an email before and after. So the before is they'll give it to you, or they'll send it to you a couple days before they ship it to see if you guys want certain items. If not, they'll send you, they'll pick it out for you, or else you can pick it out yourself. And then after the fact that if you don't like it within 5 days, and remember 5 days you have to ship it, or send it back, or just go to the post office and they will definitely just give you a receipt, or you could just drop it off and they'll just take care of the rest. And then they will not charge you between the 5 days. And I really love these boxes. I've gotten them for like almost a year now. Especially for my boys. I know this is so bad, but I don't have the time to shop for my boys. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'm just in a rush to go in and out of. I used to shop and stay in there, but now with the little baby Aiden and my 5-year-old and the 11-year-old or 12-year-old and the 13-year-old, so there's a lot there going on. So I don't have the patience to shop anymore, especially with this little guy. He doesn't like his car seat. But anyways, going back to Rockets of Awesome, I love it. They only do it 4 times a year, which is season. So it's spring, summer, fall, and winter, and those are the only 4 days that they actually send it to you. So by the time you realize that you are only gonna have like 1 box, so they're just not gonna just all of a sudden ship it out to you. They will ask you to see if you want it or not. If you don't want it, they don't really mind. I mean, they're not really gonna do anything about it. They're not gonna ship it without your approval. So they're gonna ship it when you're okay with it. And if you're not okay with it, nothing's not gonna happen. So, and then you can cancel anytime. You don't have to actually stay in the program long. But just remember to ship it out between 5 days before, or 5 days. Maybe counting the day that you purchase it, or the day that they ship it, to the day that hold on, I'm trying to open this. The day that you get it. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready to do this with me? All right, we're gonna try, right? Okay, so enough rambling. And are you gonna tell him or me? Okay, maybe I might have to do it. So I hope you stay there, and this is gonna be a bumpy ride. Okay, so yeah, so I like the what do you call it? The foil. I reuse these, especially I do a lot of reselling, and I haven't been selling some stuff. I actually put my Poshmark on hold. So I do ship it and use some of these to protect some of my stuff. And again, I don't know if I mentioned, I know I mentioned in my other 2 videos, but if you keep the whole box, it's $150. And I don't remember if I mentioned it. I know I mentioned it here and there. But they will ship out maybe 8 items total. So 4 tops and 4 bottoms. So if you don't want all that mixture, all that 4 tops and 4 bottoms, you can actually just pick like 7 tops and 1 bottom, or 6 bottoms and 4 or 2 tops, you know, as long as I mix it to like eight of them. So okay, and then they do have a the other box. I think I forgot to mention the return label, but they do have an invoice, like that. I don't know, trying to hide my address. So that's an invoice, and whatever that's on this side is the return label. So yeah, and then I will definitely show you the mailing box, or the mailing envelope. So the first one is this. Wow, this is really bright. Oh my god. Okay, and then that is, yeah, I know. How exciting, right? Your box is better. Okay, there it is. What, I should have read it. Size 7. So okay, yeah. So my 5-year-old is 6. But since some of these items they don't have in that size, look at all the checkers. The white and the orange. I love that color. And my son is gonna have to try these on before I ship it out. I may or may not keep these. And this is size 7. Right there. Alright. And these are all again. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Okay. Right there. So that's the second item. I know you're tired. Size 7. Right there. And this looks like an exercise shorts. It has pockets too. Uh-oh. And it has a tie. And again, this is size 7. So I think they're all size 7. If I forget to mention what size they are, there's a piece of hair on my face. Okay, that's my hair stuck to my face. So if I forget to mention the sizes and the names, which some of these don't have the names, but the invoices do. I hope they do. They always do. I will leave it in the like the description down below or on the screen, and you guys can definitely check it out. If you guys do like anything, let me know what you guys like too. Was this in my last box? Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that. Maybe there's some things that they will ship it out twice depending on how many boys you have. And I've noticed that, well, actually I've noticed that right now, but when I was trying to click on it, they did show me a couple of like shorts from, since I have like 3 kids, 3 boys, and then this one has pockets, so sometimes I don't even know that they're sending me like the same item that I'm picking for the other son, because what happens if I don't like a certain item, I'll tell them that I don't like it, and they'll have that on your email, and then I wouldn't even realize that they're gonna send me something like, well, I think I should, because they do send me email, which I forgot. But now I have to go back and recheck to see. But anyways, that doesn't matter. Size 7. Oh, okay. You want to show it now? Okay. Okay, so mommy do it? Okay. These are like jellyfish and lightning, or okay, yeah, so underwear, undersea stuff. Okay, now he's gone. Okay, I know you want to go play. I know, we can go play. Once we're done, we can go play. I know. Look at this basketball. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Does it glow in the dark? Size 6. Yeah, so he's at the stage where he's very, very, very naughty. Oh my god, your brother has like a pants of this color. This is sharks or a whale. Yeah. Look at that. Excuse me, oh my god. Size 7. I just came back from the mall, and I had a pretzel, and I drink a little bit of my son's iced tea, and that's how I'm burping now. Okay, so this is a hooded, which is nice. It's good because you never know. Essential zip hoodie, Heather Navy, size 6 and 7, right there. Their material, I don't know if I've mentioned it in any of my other videos, their material is really sturdy, so it looks really nice. I do like the quality, or the fabric material. Yeah, so it has it's a zipper down, and it's really nice material. I mean, especially for a kid, but maybe not the price wise, because sometimes these are very spendy. They're like $26, but I say it's nice to actually just try these on. If you like them, you can just go ahead and get them. If not, it's nice to just give these a try, because you're not losing money. You're just trying it out to see if you like it, especially if you feel the material. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure, I think it's more like Walmart fabric material, but I think it's more sturdier than that. It's almost like it, but I think it's more sturdier. You know what I mean? Okay, so that is it for my 5-year-old Ivan's unboxing video. And let me know if you guys like anything in this in the whole unboxing video today. If you guys do enjoy it, give me a thumbs up. Oh yeah, you can say it. And you can say please subscribe. Yeah. Okay. And then if you guys do enjoyed it, again, give me a thumbs up. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. Anything you see in this video, don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you guys like anything. And I hope to see you on my next one. And I'm probably gonna have to take him for a nap, because he's ready for a nap. And I didn't want him to put him there, but I'm like, there's no way for him to not cry. So, and if you guys haven't seen the other 2 videos, I'll link it down below too as well. And I'll link down how I got this box, or not how I got this box, but the link down below, so you guys can go and check that out. And I'll see you again in my next video. And I'm so happy, or so glad for those of you who subscribed recently. Thank you so much. I appreciate this support that you guys are giving me, and it's helping me grow. It's helping me achieve certain things in my life, and I'm actually really excited, you know, for some part of my life, as I can say. So again, hope to see you again in my next video. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye. See you. Bye.